Hey, what's up YouTube? I have another video for you guys, and today we're going to be installing some DNA headers for the Civic. So I'll give you guys some before and after clips so you guys can see how it sounds, if it makes a difference or not. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so just want to do a couple reps for you guys, and we're just gonna let the car cool down for about an hour, and then we're gonna start taking out the old exhaust manifold. Alright guys, so the car's been sitting for a while now, and it's not that hot, so we're gonna start by taking off the heat shield. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 13mm bolts right here, here, and down there. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off and remove the heat shield. Alright guys, so now that we have the heat shield off, we're gonna start taking off the 2 bolts that are holding the J pipe down here. These 2 right here. Alright guys, so these are 2 12mm nuts that you gotta remove. Right here and right here. Alright guys, so you may need to get some of these. I think they're called like torque pliers or something like that. Because if you start spinning it, the back right here will start spinning too, and you won't get anywhere. So you need something to hold that bolt in the back so you can take out the nut in the front. Alright, so now that we got that nut off, we're gonna go ahead and do the second one. Alright guys, so next we're gonna take off this 14mm bolt that's holding part of the manifold. It's like a kind of like a mount. Alright guys, so now we got the heat shield off. We got the J pipe disconnected from the bottom. We got that mount disconnected as well. Now we're gonna disconnect the O2 sensor from right here, and we're gonna start removing the exhaust manifold. Alright, so now we're gonna remove the 9 bolts holding the exhaust manifold. Alright guys, so now all the bolts or all the nuts that are holding the exhaust manifold are already loose and taken off. I already unplugged the O2 sensor, so now we're just gonna pull the exhaust manifold, have it like drop it down kind of at an angle, and we're gonna put in the new one. Alright guys. Alright, so we finally got the exhaust manifold out. Now we're just gonna take off the O2 sensor so we can swap it out and put in the new one. Alright guys, and in order to remove the O2 sensor, you need a special O2 sensor freaking socket key or whatever you want to call it. And these cost about $10 to $12 at AutoZone. Yeah. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to take off the O2 sensor from this exhaust manifold. The key actually ended up breaking on me because it was on like a motherfucker. And I tried to put my weight on it to get it loose, and the key ended up breaking. But thankfully I had the O2 sensor from my old exhaust manifold. It's over there in the back. But I was able to take off the O2 sensor, so now we're ready to install these headers onto the Civic. Alright guys, so sorry about that. I had to get the new gasket in there. So now we're ready to put the headers on. Alright guys, so it's kind of weird trying to like squeeze it in through the bottom. So I'm just gonna separate these two and just install the head first and then put the J-pipe in. Alright, so now we're going to tighten up these nuts that are holding the header. Alright guys, I got all the bolts, all the nuts tying up now except for this one. This tube right here gets in the way, so I don't have anything to get to that nut. So what I'm gonna have to do is go and buy those adjustable sockets or keys or whatever, and tighten that one up. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that, and now we're gonna tighten up the J-pipe onto the head. right, so now that we got the J-pipe all hooked up to the head, we're gonna connect the J-pipe to the catalytic converter. And we're just gonna be using the same bolt it came with. All right, guys, so we got the headers are fully installed now. Sorry for the long video, I had some complications, but we got this on, the J-pipe hooked up to the catalytic. We got the J-pipe connected to the head right here, and we got the heads over here. That looks so good. So I'm just gonna lower the car now, and I'll show you guys in the after, just so you guys can see. Oh, actually, don't forget to connect the O2 sensor back right here. So hook this up real quick. All right, so now I'm just gonna lower the car, and then I'll give you guys an after so you guys can hear how it sounds. All right, guys, so I already lowered the car, and let's get ready to hear it. All right, so there you guys have it. That's how it sounds. It sounds a little bit louder. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it sounds. And catch you guys in the next video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.